Today, I'll show you how to open a Docx file in LibreOffice. If you've been sent a Word document and you're not sure how to access it without Microsoft Word, don't worry. LibreOffice is a fantastic open source alternative that can handle these ASIX files with ease, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First things first, you need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can easily find it online by searching for LibreOffice Download. It's free and available for a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once you have it installed, go ahead and launch the program. You'll be greeted by the LibreOffice Start Center, which provides access to its suite of office tools like Writer, Calc, and Impress. Now that LibreOffice is open, you'll notice several options at the top of the window. To open your Docx file, you'll want to focus on the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Open File button. Clicking this button will prompt a File Explorer window to appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer's directories to locate the file you wish to open. Once the File Explorer window is open, browse to the location where your Docx file is stored. This might be in your Downloads folder on your desktop or within a specific project folder. Take a moment to ensure that you're in the correct directory. Once you found the Docx file, click on it to select it. You'll see the file name highlighted once it's selected, confirming your choice. With the file selected, move your cursor to the Open button in the File Explorer window. Clicking this button will instruct LibreOffice to open the selected Docx file. LibreOffice Writer, which is the word processing component of the suite, will launch automatically and display your document. You can now read, edit, and save the file, just as you would in Microsoft Word. A few helpful tips as you work with Docx files in LibreOffice. While LibreOffice handles most Word documents well, some complex formatting or advanced features might not translate perfectly. If you encounter formatting issues, consider saving the document in the ODT format, which is LibreOffice's native file type. This can sometimes resolve compatibility issues and ensure your document looks the way you intend. And there you have it. Opening a Docx file in LibreOffice is quick and straightforward. Whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or just reading a document a friend sent you, LibreOffice is a reliable tool to get the job done without needing to purchase Microsoft Word. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident in using LibreOffice to open Docx files. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.